Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Forex Millionaire Indicator for MT4. All right, so if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. You're going to see a link. You can just follow the link and download the indicator, after which you should proceed to your MT4 indicators folder and add the indicator in there. After that, you can head over to your navigator, just refresh. All right, after refreshing, you should find the indicator here. If you can't find it, you might just want to restart your terminal. Okay, so just going to look for the pair trade millionaire, drag and drop to your chart, ensure that the allow daily import box is checked. As for the input settings, you can see the customizable options, MA period 1, MA period 2, MA period 3, and the sound alert. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. It helps you to, it helps to give you precise buy and sell signals, in the form of arrows. When an upward red arrow appears, it's a buy signal, and when a downward green arrow appears, it's a sell signal. All right, super easy. Okay, but I will recommend that you always get confirmations before executing a trade. Okay, do not just depend on the signals given to you by the Forex Millionaire Indicator. You should always get confirmations. All right, when you get patterns like candlestick, when you get confirmations like candlestick patterns, or maybe chart patterns, or any other confirmation of your choice, at least it adds a layer of confidence to the trade, to the signal given to you by the indicator. Now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and do not forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.